Okay guys, so let's make some money with CPAGrip.com. It is gonna be very easy, but you have to invest a bit of your time, okay? You have to set this up properly so it can make you money on autopilot, okay? That's it. Hit that subscribe as well, and let's go. CPAGrip.com, guys. It is a website, and CPA stands for cost per action. So with each action that people take, you get a portion of the money. Of course, it won't be like thousands of dollars each single month at the start, but there is going to be some really nice money, and I'm going to show you the amount. Other than CPA Grip, you have CPALead.com as well, and it is the same thing, okay? You can choose one or the other one, so it is your choice. They're both nicely rated on Trustpilot, as you can see, 4.6, and they have a lot of these satisfied comments. But with today's example, I'm gonna use CPA Grip, but if you want to use the other one, it is the same. You get the same amount of money, and of course you can combine both of them and get double the money. But of course, that's gonna be a lot more work. So let's just start with this one. Click on register button once you come to CPAGrip.com, and after that you just have to complete this simple information about yourself. But this is very important, okay? This publisher tab, this is important for you because you have to select GPT, and GPT stands for get paid to. And those are the kind of offers that are gonna get us money, so just make sure you select that. When you're done, let's go and log in, and when you log in inside, you will see this in front of you, okay? This is the dashboard, and you can see right away that there's some like chat in here, and people here, you can get a lot of help from these people. And if you type in system money, guys, you will see that people are bragging off how much money they have made. So for example, just take a look at this person, $62,000. Of course, you won't be there at the start. You're just gonna be more like this guy, which got 241 bucks, or maybe this guy, of course, at the start with 36 bucks. But let me show you how this is done. I'm gonna show you step by step, so make sure you follow each and every step so you can get the money. So first of all, when you come in here, you just have to go to offer tools and click on my offers on this left hand side here. Once you get inside, you will see this, guys, country. So you can select based on your own country where you are living, okay? But for this example, I'm going to use United States, and I'm going to show you it is the same for each country, and it doesn't matter where you come from. You can still do these from the United States or any other country of your liking. Of course, wherever you live, you can try these offers and you can involve yourself. So it doesn't matter if you live in Saudi Arabia or if you live in India. Wherever you live, guys, you can get that money, okay? So let's get started with this. You can see right away that, for example, let's say this first offer, act now for 750 PayPal gift card. So what people have to do is they have to enter their email address, and you are gonna get $2 for each one of those emails. And this is why it is so sweet, okay? All that people need to do in order for you to get the money, they just need to enter their email address in the box, okay? They don't have to buy anything. They don't have to enter their credit card information, nothing. Just email, zip, submit. Those are the kind of offers that we are going to. So that's get paid to. You can just maybe click on this category drop down menu, and you can just select these because these are the easiest ones, okay? These are the easiest. Of course, you have like mobile install, and this is pretty much self-explanatory. People have to install this Nextdoor app in order for you to get this amount of money per each one of those. But you can see that this is $50 only, and it is a bit harder to make people to just install something on their mobile phone other than just entering their email address, okay? So we're gonna stick to these, okay? For example, you have this $100 Walmart gift card, and you get 1.37 bucks per each one of those. But of course, $2 is always better than one, so we can just stick to this one, okay? So people will enter their email address, and they have a chance to get this PayPal gift card, but you are automatically given $2 for each one of those, okay? So you just have to copy this link, and now we have to find the traffic for it. And it's not gonna be like super hard, guys. Just hit that subscribe button when you catch the chance. Thank you. First things first, where you can get that traffic easily is on Pinterest.com, and if you go on Pinterest, you will find a lot of those similar things. Just take a look at this guy. He is doing the same thing. This is how your pin is gonna look like. You just find a picture like this one, and of course, this is the destination link. And the reason why I use Pinterest for this strategy, guys, is that if you go on similar web, you will see that Pinterest.com has 957 million total visits per month. Now, that's a lot of traffic, okay? That's a lot of traffic. You can see that in the month of August, there was 1 billion total visits. And just take a look at this. The majority of them are coming from the United States, and that's what we need, okay? These are for the United States, and Pinterest is the perfect traffic for it. So what do you have to do in order to get that working is that you just have to go on your account. Of course, you have to make yourself an account, click on the plus icon, click on the pin button, and then just drag and drop that picture. You can easily find the picture by typing in PayPal gift card in Google search bar. Just go to images, and then you will have a wide variety of selection, okay? So you can just take whichever one you like, okay? So for example, just take a look at this one. You can just take this one, you can just right click on it, save image as, and then you can directly upload it here on Pinterest.com. For the title, you can just copy that one. You can go back, you can just copy the title in your clipboard, and then you can paste it in here. But of course, this here destination link is the most important thing, okay? The most important thing is that you add that link, affiliate link, call it whatever, so people can click on it, they can enter their email address in that box, and you are getting $2 for each one of those, okay? That is how it works, okay? It is really easy. You don't have to do nothing else. Of course, my suggestion will be to complete many of these, okay? So you can just grab this one and this one. Maybe you can use this Walmart gift card as well. You can just take this $500 from PayPal. The more of these you traffic out there, the more chances you got to get that money, okay? So it is up to you guys. The more time you invest into setting this up properly, the more money you're gonna get, because that's how it works, okay? You have to invest your time, you have to set this up, and of course, Pinterest is gonna take care of the rest, okay? Pinterest has a lot of traffic, so your pin is gonna get a lot of traction, okay? Basically, that's all that you have to do, guys. It all depends on you. I told you it won't be like millions of dollars, but you have the chance to see how much money people are taking away from this website. Just take a look at this. Of course, this won't happen in a month. This will maybe happen in a year or so, like this guy, but you can easily start something like this, $100. You can see this guy $4,000, and it's not gonna be super hard to get that, to scale that, if you are active enough, if you invest a bit of your time, okay? That's all that you have to do, guys. So go and grab this chance while it is still there, and I'll catch you later.